Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone.
My name is Bobby Naredi Jasno and my student ID number 172308088 and I'm here with my friends
Muhammad Zidane Hasan, my student ID number 172300570.
and we from 175A07 class. And in this special occasion, we would like to making video podcast or podcast video, and the topic is the internet. In this podcast, we will talk about the internet and its role our daily life. The internet has become an important part of modern society, especially in communication, education, and information access. We hope you enjoy this podcast. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. My name is Bobin Aryadi Jasno and I'm here with my partner
Muhammad Zidane Hasan. Hello everyone. Nice to meet you all. Thank you for listening to our podcast today.
In this episode, we're going to talk about the internet and how it affects our daily life, especially for students like us. Before we continue, let's start with a simple question. What is the internet?
In my opinion, the internet is a global network that connects people from all around the world. It allows us to share information, communicate, and access many services online.
I totally agree. Nowadays, the internet has become a very important part of our lives. Almost everything we do depends on the internet. So, Zidan, how do you usually use the internet in your daily life?
I mostly use the internet for studying and communication. For example, I search learning material and Google and watch educational video and YouTube. I also use WhatsApp and email to communicate with lecturer and friends.
That's true. As a student, the internet usually really helps me with online learning. We often use platforms like Zoom and Google Classroom for our classes.
Yes, and besides studying, we also use the internet for entertainment, such as social media, watching movies, and listening to music.
Now, let's talk about the positive impacts of the internet.
One of the biggest advantages is easy access to information. We can get information quickly anytime and anywhere.
Exactly. The internet also makes communication faster and more efficient. We can easily connect with people from different places.
For students, the internet helps us learn independently and improve our knowledge and skill.
However, the internet also has some negative impacts. What do you think about that, Zidan?
One major problem is internet education. Many people spend too much time online and forget about their real life responsibilities.
I agree with that. Another problem is fake news or hoax. Not all information on the internet is reliable.
That's why we must be smart and careful when using the internet.
So, we can conclude that internet is very useful in our daily life, but it must be used wisely.
Yes, if we use the internet properly, it can bring many positive benefits.
Before we end this podcast, let's talk a little about the future of the internet.
That's an interesting topic. I think in the future, the internet will become faster and more advanced.
Yes, and more people will depend on the internet for work, education, and daily activities.
I agree. Technology like smart device and online system will continue to grow with the internet.
The internet will also create opportunity, especially for young people and students.
Actually, that's why understanding the internet is important, not only for today, but also for the future if benefit.
Thank you for listening to our podcast. Hope you
We
enjoy this discussion. See you next time.
Goodbye.